What's up, guys? It's July 7th, 2024. We had a bear trend day. Um, yeah, pretty cool day. I, Today was the first day where I kind of saw this price action. I was like, man, I swear I've seen this kind of a double top. Got trapped a little bit here on 21, but reversed and eventually made it with these legs here. Pretty cool leg counting today. Daily chart starting to look, I don't even know what to think of this. Like, this is a pretty crazy chart to think about because we started. When did we start? I don't remember when I started this channel, but it's just crazy to see that how the market cycle has been progressing. We had the breakout, channel phase, we channeled for so long, deep pullback, first gap below the EMA, and then we channel higher for another three legs, like one pullback, like two pullback, like three, wedge top, the reversal, like one pullback, like two pullback, climactic, like three, and now. So that means we're in a range because we have big up, big down. So that's the market cycle. So what's going to happen next? How long are we going to range for until it breaks out and resets? I guess I kind of want to delete some of these lines, but I'm not sure how to go about it. Like, what makes one line more important than the other? Nothing really. Okay, so the swing high is important and the swing low is important. This swing can be important and this swing can be important. This is the most recent low. This was a breakout point that got reversed because it broke out here and in shoulders, so three pushes up failed. You know what? I'm going to delete some lines, and if it doesn't look good, I just won't save it, and it'll pop back up. So this is the most recent low. Need that. I want to have the swing high up here. The high of, what is this? 1875, 2125. And that's July 15th high. Okay, cool. That kind of already looks just a little bit cleaner, you know? So we got the swing high, swing low. The low here, 6350. This line is supposed to be 6350. Okay, is this line correct? Low, 20 even, 20 even. Okay, so we pretty much broke out of this range, so you know what? I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete that. I'll put this swing high here. That kind of makes sense. I'll show you guys in a second. So the swing high of January 4th, 2022. Wow. 825. 825. And this is January 4th, 2022. January 4th, 2022. Wow. How do you spell January? Okay. That looks a little bit cleaner. So here we definitely want to see a 50% level. And I think that's good for now. I'll just, my gosh, you know what? We've come this far. Let's just do it right. Coordinates, copy. Okay. Coordinates, copy. Put this there. Okay. And now we got a better 50% level. I'm not a nerd. Okay. That's about pretty accurate. Now let me delete the 50% level here. Or not let me delete the fibs. Make this text 50%. And save. I guess I'm saving it. I didn't mean to do that. I was supposed to look at it first. That makes a little more sense. That's a little cleaner. So I would like it if this line can match this, and then this number was 20 even. Okay, there we go. I'm liking that, but I also spelled this wrong. Okay, that makes it a little bit easier to see. So we have the breakout point from 2022, 2024 swing low. Where's 2023 at? Where the heck? Okay, so 2023 was all here. Wait, is it 2000? Yeah, 2023. 2024. And now we're in that's the swing high, 24, and that's the swing low. We're in a range, so we're supposed to test swing points. So we'll see if we make it all the way back to January 4th, 2022's breakout point, or if we make it to April. So yeah, that was a little bit longer than intended, but I like to update it with you guys. We've been riding it out since somewhere down here. I remember, I think around here maybe. Yeah, a little bit longer one today, I guess. Bar one, we have a really big gap up with continuation with bar one. So this is a bull bar. Bar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all continuations, but it's a lot of overlap. It takes about, so bar 1's a doji bar. We're breaking out of that range with bar 2. Bar 3, 4, and 5 has a lot of overlap, and it takes 3 bars to make a point higher, and then bar 6 is an outside bar, and it's high in range or high in trend. If you see this like a gap up and then sells off, traps bears, versus higher. Very short above the high of bar 6 because it's an outside bar. Outside bars are range, and you can see for 3 bars where you traded within bar 6's range. Just kind of like a sell high, buy low play for these traders here. If you traded that, and it sells off, 2-legged pull back into the EMA, leg 1, pull back leg 2, and then bulls get a second leg higher here, 15, 16, pull back 17, 18, 19. A couple ways to count these legs. Leg 1. Pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, or you can count it leg 1, pull back leg 2 in a range. That's kind of how I was counting it today. And then even within this price action, leg 1, pull back leg 2. Second legs don't have to be symmetrical. So leg 1, opposite bar leg 2, opposite bar leg 3, wedge bottom into support, bull flag. I think I bought the high at 15. I got out around here. And then I just heard someone knock on my door. I'm just hearing things. There's supposed to be an Amazon driver. Okay, so then pulls that get trapped here, buy more here, and then get out here at their original price. That's what creates a double top. Sorry, I'm getting freaked out. I feel like the Amazon driver is outside, but he's not. Okay, so that creates a double top. That creates a double top. Enough selling pressure and bears shorting. They go for a breakout, leg 1, pull back leg 2 into support. Now we kind of have a wedge bottom here. Bull flag, wedge bottom. Because remember, we don't really know what this price action is going to be. So this is kind of what we're looking at right now. Let me delete that. Kind of what we're looking at here. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, breakout, leg 1, pull back leg 2, bouncing off support. Bar 31, breakout below the EMA. Bar 32, pullback, could be profit taking. Bar 33, pullbacks are going to get deeper. I think it's okay to get out of shorts by now. And bar 34 looks like a continuation from 33. We're trading at the 50% level, but then bars 32 and 33 are showing out to get its own second leg, 34. And then we go sideways under the EMA for a few bars, and this creates a double top bear flag. Bar 39, breaking up below the EMA, but we are at the previous swing low, so we could see a deep pullback here or a reversal. However, 38, 39, 40 breakout. That's 3 bear bars breaking out of the swing low. We're breaking out the higher time frame EMA. EMAs are crossing over. I think this can get continuation down, and it does. You can sell any of these closes. You have to use a wide stop and trade small. The bears it's a sell to close. Is it called a sell to close rally? What is it? It's a sell to close market. You can sell any of these for a scalp or hold for a swing. Although this is a lot of selling, around 41, 42, 43, there's overlap, so there is bulls buying here. They're getting trapped. They could be buying a previous breakout point. The overnight session had a big gap up, so we are breaking support levels. So there could be buyers. We start to see overlap. However, 44 is a good bar closing on its low with a small tail. Bulls that bought here are trapped. It shuts them down. 45 continuation. 46 another sell. 46, 47 bull bar. Good enough for leg 2. 48 looks like a reversal down, creating a double top. We're testing the low of 43. 49 second leg 1 pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. 50 sell off with the bears, continuation. There are many gaps open right now for the bears, so I think if you're looking for reversals, you gotta see a decent amount of bull bars above the EMA. I don't think the bulls are going to get a full-on reversal. If the bulls were going to get on reversal, I think they would get. If the bulls were going to have a reversal, I think they would. It'd be more of a range. Because for a reversal, they'd have to make a new high, and we've already traded 66. Wow, almost 90 points lower. Wait, 95 points. Continuation with 51, 52. Strong bars at lows, 53. It's a range bar sitting at yesterday's close, so bears are trying to close the gap. Bulls are bouncing. Excuse me, I said bulls are bouncing. Bulls want to see a reversal here on support. They close the gap and get into a range. Close above the EMA, but they're 54, 55, 50, 54, 55, 56, 57. Another sell to close market. 58, good selling lows again. They're putting in big bars away from the EMA, so momentum's picking up instead of slowing down. The EMA is sloped all day, so right here it was kind of upwards to flat, and then as soon as these bars got put in, the EMA changed, and I think you should be looking to get short at least, or wait a little bit to see if longs or bulls are strong enough to get a reversal on the EMA, but they're not. So if you were to buy here, you got to get out quick. It's the bear flag double top. Then we go sideways for a few legs lower. Bulls get this wedge. Market creates a wedge bottom here. Good bar at 67, but it's the first gap bar on a strong trend. Bears have over 20 bars and gaps open to the left of the EMA. So it doesn't get continuation. It does get a minor second leg here, leg 1, pullback leg 2. It's a brief second leg. Very deep pullback leg 3, deep pullback leg 4 for the bulls. Breakout for the bears. So it ends up being ended up being one big range. And going short, it would be better to short the gap bar if the price action lets you short. So what am I trying to say? This is a bad bull breakout. That's what I'm trying to say. Bulls are getting trapped. Market's moving lower. We've been in a bear trend all day. Strong bar closing the day, and bears get the close below the EMA. Today was a little bit longer. I didn't expect to do it like that, but I kind of do like it like that. I just have to work into that. I did not expect that to go down, but let me know what you guys think, if you like it like that or the previous ways. I'm strong in these gaps to practice my eyes. I hope you guys are drawing your own gaps or doing. I would tell you guys to do a daily review and whatnot, but if that's not you, that's not you. You just gotta find what works. I dreaded doing daily reviews, and I started doing these videos on YouTube, and they help out a lot. So I'm not saying you have to make your own YouTube channel, but you could just record yourself talking about the markets and never show it to the world. I think it's helpful talking about the markets, especially when you're trading. So these are all these gaps I've been seeing. And bulls get a gap here, which is interesting. So this is a bull gap under the EMA. So the context for the day's changed, because bulls should not be getting gaps below it. Bulls should not be getting gaps in a bear trend. So we could be range bound. Bulls didn't get any gaps until. Are there any bull gaps? No. Well, there's a bull gap here. I kind of looked over this gap here. There's a gap there. So yeah, gap there. All these gaps are staying open, selling. I'm sure there's more gaps I missed. Yeah, see right here's a gap. Let me know how you guys are doing. How are you guys doing in these trend days? The volatility is picking up. Kind of makes it hard to hold through pullbacks. A couple times I've reduced my position size. No, I just leave it like that. Okay. Well, yeah. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys don't mind the update on the daily chart. I kind of like it. It's a little cleaner. So, 45-minute chart looks pretty good. Sell. Broad. We're in a bull channel, but that's also the higher high. Bear flag, double top, or wedge top, excuse me. Here's a double top. Here's the wedge top. Let me delete this. So yeah, it's kind of an expanding triangle. We're getting new highs and new lows. That's not a new low. We're just getting new highs. That's a higher low. Bear flag, wedge top. We'll just leave it like that. Alright guys. Went over the time a little bit today. Appreciate you guys sticking with me. Have a good one. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.